Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best drawing tablets for Adobe Illustrator in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is XP Pen Artist 12 Pro Full-Laminated Graphics Drawing Tablet. If you want to skip the need for an adapter, then you can use this tablet that has an 11.6 inches display with a convenient 3-in-1 cable design that can be easily connected to your computer. You can then start with your work as usual and you get a comfortable pen that has a 60-degree tilt function which can be used for comfortable doodling and drawing on the beautiful display of the tablet. To empower your workflow with a smoother effect, the tablet has 8 customizable short keys and a red dial interface. It cannot get easier to customize your choices than this. Further, you have a battery-free stylus with PA2 which can be precisely positioned on the display screen and you can work with fine details. As the pen has got an excellent nib, it provides a smoother illustration experience. Number 2. Our second best pick is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, best Android tablet for Illustrator. Isn't it fascinating to see a magnetic pen getting attached to the side of a tablet? We all love this, and the Samsung Galaxy Tab A6 Lite comes with this particular feature. It is a very sleek, fashionable, portable, lightweight, and travel-friendly tablet that can support Adobe Illustrator decently well. The active stylus pen does not need to be charged. The 10.4 inches display is great for watching movies and it has a Dolby sound system that is ready to entertain you with an engaging sound experience. What we truly appreciate about the tablet is its long battery life of almost 10 hours. The Super AMOLED screen is great for any media, be it vectors, illustrations, or even clipart stock files. You can rightfully call it the best Android drawing tablet. Number 3. Our third best pick is Wacom One Digital Drawing Tablet. There is one tablet that can support Adobe Illustrator and work equally well for beginners as well as professionals. If you are a beginner, then this tablet is going to guide you in a professional direction, and if you are a professional using Adobe Illustrator, the device is going to function really well for you. The 13.3 inches display is a beautifully vibrant and lively screen with perfect color balance. You can efficiently draw and erase sketches on the tablet screen. The Wacom pen has a natural tilt to it and it feels like a real one. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Huion Inspiroy Q11K V2 Wireless Graphic Drawing Tablets. The Huion Inspiroy Q11K V2 tablet is one of the most creative devices that we have on the list. First of all, it packs a clever tilt control that can detect the pressure of the fingers better and accurately position the cursor on the screen of a tablet to draw clear lines. The stylus pen of the tablet is battery-free and does not need to be charged. That is yet not all, you get a portable pen holder. The pen comes with 8,192 pressure levels to provide you with ultimate accuracy and incredible performance. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 Creative Pen Display, 4K Graphic Drawing Monitor. This is a brilliant choice for all the Adobe Illustrator users having incredible specs to support the software smoothly. The pen of Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 has almost doubled pressure sensitivity compared to the Wacom One Digital Drawing Tablet. The pressure sensitivity is 8,192 levels. Similarly, you can sketch and erase the sketches if you go wrong. With the 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and 99% of Adobe RGB, the color accuracy feels stunning on its 24 inches LCD display. You get free fully customizable pen buttons with the help of which you can pan, zoom, model, sculpt or tumble objects. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.